Warm Rotary greetings to all. Today I am going to talk about the Project Orange Ray of Sight, which Rotary is contemplating on taking up in the subsequent years. Already, District 3232 of Chennai has started working on it. To give an introduction to this project, I would like to say that there are 2.2 billion people worldwide who have unaddressed visual impairment or blindness. Of these, 1 billion people have visual problem which can be either addressed to or which could have been avoided. And also 2% of Indian population are blind. Rotary is planning the project Orange, which means ray of sight, and through this project many vision centers will be established all over India to cater to people in rural and semi-urban areas for their visual problems. In 1999, Vision 2020, a project was set in with the aim of providing the right to sight to all, whether rich or poor, young or old, male or female, provide quality eye care to all. Vision 2020 was created by World Health Organization, International Agency for Prevention of Blindness, our own national government, many philanthropic institutions, non-governmental organizations all joined hands together to create Vision 2020, the right to sight, rich or poor, young or old, male or female, all have the right to quality eye care. By a survey done by this Vision 2020, it was concluded that 20,000 vision centers would be needed all over India to cater to the population in the rural areas. But after 20 years now, this Vision 2020 was supposed to set 20,000 vision centers by the year 2020, but now only 1,000 vision centers have been established all over India, and there is a lot of lag. So Rotary, seeing the need in this arena, has taken up Orange, a ray of sight, as their focus area, and soon hundreds of vision centers will be established through Rotary everywhere. The first phase of Orange has been created at Chennai by the District 3232, wherein 3 lakh US dollars, which is equivalent to 2.1 crores of rupees, the cost of first phase of cluster of vision centers comprising of 16 vision centers, which is equivalent to 2 clusters, will be around 3 lakh US dollars, which is equivalent to 2.1 crores of Indian money. Orange is associating with cooperating organizations like Aravind Eye Hospital, LV Prasad Eye Institute, Sankara Eye Hospital, Carnell Foundation, etc. Subsequently, Orange will associate with more cooperating organizations across India to implement the Orange cluster of vision centers. 200 vision centers catering to 1 crore population in Tamil Nadu would be established by Rotary, which is 20% of the population of Tamil Nadu. 200 vision centers catering to 1.2 crore population across Tamil Nadu, which is 20% of the Tamil Nadu's population, aims to increase the number of vision centers across India. Rotary's primary responsibilities are fundraising, advocacy, and volunteering. And the main goal is to ensure avoidable blindness-free India. For such interesting and informative messages, please do watch my videos and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give a like and please do not forget to share the messages. Thank you. Orange is committed to establish 200 hybrid vision centers in and around Chennai with a mission to making Chennai as the first avoidable blindness free city in India. Through this prestigious humanitarian project, Orange, in the year 2020-21, reaching more than 10 million or 1 crore population, which is about 20% of the total population of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.